Deep in the heart of Croatia, there's a dish that tells a story of tradition, of family, of the land itself. Today, we step into a Croatian home to witness the making of Soparnik. This is one of the country's oldest and most treasured dishes. We were lucky enough to spend time with John and Anne Jercinovic, who have been making Soparnik for generations. This dish, once a simple meal for farmers, has become a symbol for Croatian heritage. But what makes it so special? Join us today to find out.
So rooms like this are called konoba. This is not their main konoba. They have one below the house where they make wine and they keep wine. But places like this are to store wine, to store the food, and to store the items. Usually they're not heated up, as you can see. It's a bit colder over here. And it's to keep the food.
Do most families have a room like this?
Yes, if you live in the village, yes, you do.
Really?
Yeah.
The dough is hand-rolled until almost paper thin, and the filling a blend of fresh Swiss chard, garlic, and a touch of salt. Each movement a ritual passed through time. Woohoo! Look at that! So perfect! Unlike most pies, Soparnik is cooked directly over a bed of embers. The flames kiss the dough, giving it a smoky, rustic flavour. And then comes the flip. Now they cover the pie in ash. Now after watching how it was made, I was a little bit worried to try it, but later on I do, and it is so amazing. It's delicious. I would eat the whole thing myself.
Providing the layer, kind of natural insulation, so it doesn't get burned. Yeah, and charge takes a while. Yeah, so that makes sense. So.
Yeah, look at it! Oh, it's alive!
It's moving!
Okay, let's go before movie start.
It's alive!
There is something.
How are you going to get this off of here? It's going to be too hot. Very excited to see what happens.
Me too, because that was unexpected.
Look at it, it's massive.
Oh, it's depleting.
Sinking down.
Okay.
This is where she pokes the side to get the air out of it since it was rising, and that is when the smells hit you. It was so amazing, garlicky, delicious smells. Oh yeah, I smell it now. Yeah. Soparnik is more than food for Croatians, it's a reminder of where they came from, of the hands that shaped them, of traditions that kept them connected. Food is memory, food is family, and today we got to experience something truly special. And I've got to tell you, it was absolutely delicious. So delicious.
I'll take all